Hey everyone, it's Pam, and we are going to make 30 designs in less than 5 minutes. Let's do this real quick. All right, so I asked Chatty, I want to create 30 designs for my Facebook group. I just want to get, some interaction kind of posts or tips and stuff. I can post in my Facebook group when I'm not always there. So I told him, Canva, email, and running an online business. That's what I talk about in the group. So it says, awesome. It's going to split them into 3 buckets for me. Love it. And then it gives me this. And then I just kind of wanted a little bit more. So I um, asked him a little bit more. And then I asked, because I did have Canva attached, can you create these? And it didn't, but it gave me a little bit more info. I shouldn't say it didn't. It took me a little bit more time, but it gave me a bunch of other info, and then it finally did it. Right? I don't mind these, but they were a little boring. But I did open. You can open it and go right into, like, if I wanted to do this one, I can open it right into Canva, which I did. And then ended up creating something else. I just used it for the foundation, which was beautiful. Okay, so it gives me some ideas on how to set it up. But then I was like, no, I'm going to go over to Canva, and I created one myself. Um, I just grabbed it from a template. It's this one right here. So I changed out my colors and put my logo and then did these. A little different, but it gave me something to start with. So you can use a template. You're just posting these. This is what Canva is all about. Use the templates if you're just posting info. Okay? So now I go back over to Chatty. So I created this the way I wanted it. Exactly. I have 3 different things that I am going to connect. We're going to use bulk create. So hold on. All right. So I asked for it to, it kept giving me the different titles. And what I did was, it wasn't going to allow me. So I put in 2, like I showed them, you know, that's 1, 2, and 3, and then that. So I was determined to get this done. So yeah, it gave that to me. All I did was copy this, went over to um, create a new one so I could show you how I did this. Brand new, paste. Okay. But as you can see, it's all in one kind of thing. But I learned this. Go to data and go split text into columns. And it did exactly what I asked. Right. So I can take this one out. Like I said, tech is not my friend today, but I usually do the Google Sheets or the CSV, but it is not allowing us. For some reason, we're getting this. Obviously, Canva has some issues today. We're just going to enter data manually, and it will be fine. Clear the table, all this, and you're going to want 3 columns. First one is title, body, and call to action. Just do that just to name them. You don't have to. You could use other words, whatever. And you're going to go over to your Google Sheet. I'm going to copy that, come over here, click right here, and I'm going to paste, right? Then we're going to do the next copy, paste, And that was super easy. Don't let tech stop you. Just try to do it another way. Now we're going to go done. Or be now. This is the way it should be. So we're going to go right here. This is the title. I'm going to connect it to the title. Right here, I'm going to connect data, and that's the body. I'm going to connect here, and that is the call to action. Now, one thing that I should have done from the beginning is, and we can still do it, is pick your longest sentence or of all of them. It's going to override it anyways. It is fine. This is the longest text. We get the longest text all nice and cleaned up. And it should be okay. All right. And then the longest one for this one is this. Right. And then the longest of the call to action is this one. Okay. Now the only thing is I might okay. Here we go. I might change this text to yeah, that'll work. Look, okay. Okay. And they're all connected. So let's go. And then we're going to open over here. Then some of them you can obviously, you know, we can make them bigger and all that. But now I have all these that I can post in my Facebook group. And also, another thing we can do, to change it up, they're not all the same, is like change this and then, if you want to be a little different in things. I don't really like the yellow one. Let's see. Yeah, I'll probably just stick with now that I had messed that up and I want to undo, so I'm gonna keep going until I undo it all. There we go. All right. Now I have all these. Beautiful. Um, go make you some designs.